Number 5, 3 Susu groups want to construct a meeting center where they will have their monthly meetings. The 3 groups are Ampim, Bamba, and Kaiser. The distance from Ampim, Bamba to Bamba, A to B is 16 km, A to C is 20 km, B to C is 18 km. After completing the construction of the center, the 3 groups must travel equal distance to have their meetings at the meeting center. Scale of 2 km to 1 cm and a ruler and a pair of compass. Construct triangle ABC. Then find a point K inside the triangle where the meeting center can be built. So find the distance they will travel to have their meeting at the meeting center. So that's question number 5. So 2 km, so A to C is 20 kilometers. So we solve the 2 km is 1, so we divide by 2 km times 1 cm, that's 10 cm. AB is also same, 16 km by 2 times 1 is 8. Then 18 km by 2 times 1 is 9. So I draw my baseline. I decide to use BC. I decide to use, AB, that's rather AC. The 10 is AC. So I decide to use AC, 10 kilometers. And then this is my B. Alright, so BC is 9, and then AB is also 8, like we have here. So now, if you want to know the meeting point, is the point where the distance between the A to the point, B to the point, and C to the point are the same, and that is circumscribed circle. That touches all 3 points. So what will you use to do that? You bisect 2 lines. So I chose to bisect AB. How do I bisect AB? Step at A, open to more than half, an arc above and below. Step at B with the same radius, arc above, arc below. Draw a line through. BC, same. Step at B, more than half, arc above, arc below. Step at C, same radius, above, below. Draw a line through. Where they meet is K. That is the point. Now, if you measure AK, BK, KC, you are going to get 5.2. But see the distance, so multiply it by 2 km, that's 10.4 km. The B, the full capacity of the tank is X. So the fractions we are going to use, the petrol tanker was 3/2, third full of petrol. And after 65 gallons were used from the tanker, it was 5 out of 12 full. How many gallons of petrol does the tanker hold when full? So I can decide to use the fraction approach. So it's 2/3. If X is the full capacity, then it means that the fraction for the 65 gallons that were used is 65 out of the total X. And then if you take that from it, this fraction, you get 5/12. So multiply it through by the LCM, which is 12x, 12x, 12x. So that's 4 times 2, 8x. Then this, I know I'll divide eventually, so I don't multiply. 5 times x is 5x. This becomes 8x minus 5x, 3x. Then this is negative, it goes to become positive. Divide by 3, 3 here 1, 3 here 4, 4 times that is 260 gallons. Alternative method, if x is the full capacity, then it means that it's 2/3 full, 2/3 times the x. Then 65 gallons were taken out. 5/12 full times x. So 8x minus that is 5x. 8x minus 5x is 12 times 65. You get the same 260 gallons.